How to choose the right starter for making yogurt at home. Each yogurt starter is actually a blend of different bacterial cultures only. On the other hand, kefir starters contain yeast as well, besides a number of bacterial cultures. The easiest way to figure this out is to set your expectations first. For example, how thick or creamy do you want your yogurt to be? Would you like a milder or sourer tastes? And what kind of bacterial strain do you wish to introduce? If you like your yogurt thick, then choose any of the following: Bulgarian, Acidophilus, Balkan, or Bifido starter. For yogurt with a mild taste, pure Acidophilus, Balkan, Bifido, or mild Kefir, in case Kefir is your choice. For a tart taste, choose between Acidophilus, Bulgarian, or Kefir if Kefir is what you prefer. For obtaining a creamy texture and mild taste, pure Acidophilus and mild Kefir. In case you want to go vegan, please get our juice extracted cultures. This starter will work with any soy milk, with no preservatives and additives, as well any dairy milk. If you are interested in bacterial strain, please check the back of the sachets and/or packets to see the exact bacterial composition. And please note that in the long run, after a few recultivations, you will manage to develop an absolutely unique type of yogurt and kefir. Once the lactobacteria in the starter mix with the airborne ones that are found in the environment around you. Do remember that the taste and texture can also be adjusted by the types of milk chosen and the temperature during incubation and recultivation. So any of these variables can be changed, except the bacterial compositions in the first batch. One example can be incubating the bacteria at a lower temperature. In this case, your yogurt will become creamier with a slightly more liquid texture and with a sour taste. The same can happen if the incubation time is longer or when using different milk types like semi-skimmed or skimmed ones. Thus, please choose wisely the type of milk you will use, and don't hesitate to experiment freely with different settings and incubation times of the yogurt makers to reach the results you are looking for. For more info, visit our website, blog, forum, or download the yogurt app. www.yogurtathome.com, forum.yogurtathome.com, and www.yogurtathome.com/blog.